Hello, today we will be learning about naming simple acids. This will be a basic introduction into this topic. So let's start with a sample, HCl. How would you name this? Some would say hydrogen chloride. And though this is a correct name, as an acid, this is not the right one. So let's go over the rules on naming acids. Binary compounds. When the anion ends in "ide," that's the negative part of the molecule. When it ends in "ide," the acid becomes a hydroic acid. So in the sample before, HCl, we said was hydrogen chloride, as we agreed on the basic name, but as an acid, it will become hydrochloric acid, where we took the hydro and ic and removed the "ide" over here. So we kept the chlor and just added the hydro and ic, so it became hydrochloric acid. Compounds with oxyanions. An oxyanion is an anion that is attached with oxygen, such as this nitrate anion and this chlorite anion. Many will recognize these as part of the polyatomic ions, which I mentioned before is important to have a basic knowledge of, or at least memorizing some of them. The 8 anions turn into ic acids, so such as hydrogen nitrate, HNO3 here, as we know is hydrogen nitrate, becomes nitric acid. So also note how the hydrogen term over here, hydrogen, drops, as it is already implied that by using these notations, the ic here and the word acid, we know that the compound is already an acid and thus will include a hydrogen as the cation, or the positive ion, in front of the anion. Furthermore, the ite anions become us acids, such as hydrogen chlorite, or HClO2, becomes chlorous acid. We added the us and we added the acid, so chlorous acid. In review, the ide becomes hydroic, 8 becomes ic, and ite becomes us. So a good way to remember this one right here, the 8 to ic term, is to think the phrase I ate something and then I became sick. So you ate something and then you became sick, as in ic. And so that's just a simple way to remember this one. In all, this is a very simple topic and should not be hard to master. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned something new today.